get to the cash, no layoff. Spin a big bag, rodeo. Some made ride for the fresh cut. Hoes come through, just touch us. I'ma tell the truth like Usher. You already know I bust us. Just like my trap for Russia.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a eye look. I was supposed to be filming something else and it was gonna be really like fun, but anyways, I had to film something else, so I was like, I don't know what to do other than an eye look. I don't really know what I'm going with this eye look. I'm trying to do like a purple maybe look, and hopefully it turns out good. So yeah, just keep on watching and let's see what we're gonna do with my eyes. So first I went in with Divinity and I put that all over my eyelid, bringing it all the way to my brow bone. Then I went into this NYX lilac shade, and then I put that all in my crease, using it as a transition shade. Next, I went in with this fuchsia shade, and then I put that in my crease, but a little bit lower so you could still see the lilac. I then took the darkest purple of the palette, and I put this all in my crease, gradually building up the color so I get my desired purple. After that, I just grabbed a fluffy brush and started blending out the harsh lines. I went back in with that same dark purple and I got a shader brush and then I started packing that onto my lid. After packing all of that purple onto my lid, I grabbed a fluffy brush and then started blending that out as well. Next, I grabbed cotton candy and I put that into my inner corner with a dense brush as my inner corner highlight. Then I went back into the lilac shade and I put that all over my lower lash line with a small precision brush. Next, I went back into that dark purple color and I put that in my lower lash line, but focusing it on my lashes, like directly on it. And lastly, I just added some roller lash mascara to my bottom lashes, and then I'm done. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. This was very spontaneous. So yeah, I hope you liked how it turned out, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!